Are your emails getting stuck? Facing frustrating delivery interruptions? Today, we're diving deep into a common but often misunderstood issue: SMTP error 421.4.3.2, also known as service shutting down. This error can halt your email campaigns, but understanding it is the first step to a solution. SMTP error 421.4.3.2 typically signals a temporary server failure. It means the mail server is unexpectedly closing connections. While disruptive, this issue is rarely caused by your end. It often points to issues like server overload or scheduled maintenance. However, misconfigured settings can also contribute. Knowing the root cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Several factors can trigger this service shutting down error. Understanding them helps pinpoint the problem. Mail server overload. The server might be processing too many connections simultaneously. High email traffic exceeding capacity or insufficient resources like CPU and memory can lead to this. Scheduled maintenance or downtime. The mail server could be undergoing planned updates. Manual restarts or automated scripts can also cause temporary service interruptions. Misconfigured server settings. Incorrect SMTP configurations, such as throttling limits or queue settings, can be culprits. Poorly set connection limits or security protocol incompatibilities also contribute. Network or ISP restrictions. Firewall rules or security software might block email communication. ISP sending limits or misconfigured DNS MX records can also cause issues. Blacklisted IP or domain. If your sending IP is blacklisted, the receiving server may temporarily refuse connections. Reputation issues due to high spam rates can also trigger this. Email queue congestion. A large backlog of undelivered emails can clog the mail queue. Slow message processing due to poor performance tuning can exacerbate this problem. If you're an email sender encountering this, don't panic. Simple steps can often resolve it. Retry sending emails later. Since this is often a temporary error, wait a few minutes. Then try resending your emails. Check if the receiving mail server is down. Contact the recipient's IT team if possible. You can also use online SMTP testing tools to verify the server's status. Ensure your IP isn't blacklisted. Use tools like MX Toolbox or Spamhaus. Regularly check your email reputation to prevent future issues. For system administrators, a deeper dive is necessary. These steps help diagnose and fix the problem. Check server load and performance. Run system diagnostics to monitor CPU, RAM, and disk usage. Identify resource bottlenecks and optimize server performance. Inspect email logs. Analyze SMTP logs for detailed error messages. Commands like tail, f, var, log, mail log for Linux, or get message tracking log for Exchange are invaluable. Adjust SMTP configuration. Modify server settings to handle higher email loads. Increase mail queue limits, adjust connection timeouts, and optimize rate limits. Review firewall and security rules. Ensure SMTP ports 25, 587, 465 are open. Verify that antivirus software isn't blocking email traffic. Clear mail queues. On postfix, use postqueue, P to view, and post super, D all to clear. For XIM, BP views, and XIM, M's from message ID removes. Restart mail services. Restart the SMTP service to refresh configurations. Use systemctl restart postfix or systemctl restart XIM. While some SMTP errors are inevitable, proactive measures minimize their impact. Warmy.io offers comprehensive solutions. Improve email authentication. Warmy provides free SPF and DMARC record generators. Properly configured SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are crucial for email authentication and reducing errors. Track email health with Domain Health Hub. Get complete monitoring of your deliverability at the domain level. Check your instant domain health score, warm-up performance, and comprehensive DNS status. Employ reliable email warm-ups and seed listing. Warmy helps establish sender credibility by gradually increasing email volumes. This warms up your domain, preventing emails from being flagged as spam. Email deliverability test. Warmy.io offers free tests to evaluate inbox placement across providers like Gmail and Outlook. Regular scans ensure your IP and domain remain free from blacklists. Don't let SMTP errors disrupt your vital email communication. Being proactive with proper email hygiene and configuration is key. Instituting email deliverability measures gives you a significant advantage. Explore what warmy.io can do for your business. Sign up for a free trial today, no credit card required, or schedule a free consultation with a deliverability expert. Secure your sender reputation and ensure uninterrupted email performance.